what is attributes means. Already we are writing the bytecode of the HTML structure, right? So here what is the elements means, we need compulsory, we need in HTML tags, we need compulsory start tag and end tag middle of this content. Why I am telling like that means, some elements, some HTML tags we don't have the ending tags also. So must and should in here in HTML elements must and should start with start tag, end tag, and middle of that we need end tag also, sorry, content also. Okay, so that is we call it as HTML elements. Okay, so I'll tell you the small definition on that. So HTML and HTML elements, we need start tag, end tag, start tag, content, and end tag. Okay, so we need for this, so how it will be means, this is suppose the h1, so this will be the start tag, it will be open braces h1 and close braces, this will be the start tag as well. So here I am giving, this is h1 tag, okay, heading tag. So this is content what I am writing here. Okay, so it will be ending with the h1 tag here. So it will be start tag, end tag, middle of this content. So we call it as, this will be the elements. Okay, so I will execute on this in Visual Studio. Already we have created one folder on a desktop, extra days, that will be the code, right? So open this one, open this folder. Okay. So here we have the one path, it is open, after it is opening in file manager, so we have the one file path. So go here the file path, select this one and click on backspace. Here type cmd, so the command prompt will be open. Just a second, not like this. cmd, the command prompt will be open here. So here quotes space dot enter, so the particular folder will be open in your Visual Studio. Okay, the particular folder will be open in your Visual Studio Code. So we have a folder inside file, right? So here you need to create the file here. So click on file, so name it as elements, name it as elements. Already we know we have the two types of extensions for saving the HTML, that will be the HTML or HTM, right? So here the elements dot HTML, and saving this extension. Already you know the bytecode will be presented, that will be the shortcut key for control not shift exclamatory enter. The structure will be founded here. So here you need to take elements here. After that you can use how the elements has to be presented, already know. So here h1, so this will be the start tag, you need to give anything here, that will be the attribute, that will be the content, anything you can give. This topic I'm giving just a static content here. This is a elements, HTML elements. Okay, so here what we happen, so this is the start tag and this is the end tag, middle of we need content. So this will be indicated as elements.html. Okay, so I'll give another one. Madhushree, can you explain uh, another tag using HTML elements? Just a second, it is closed. So you can tell me now.
You want me to contain the heading tags, or do you want me to tell about another elements, Jayashree?
Elements.
Okay. There's an element called paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag, we'll give the content of the web page.
Yes, here like this. This is the content. So this is the content, this is the start tag, and this is the end tag. So we will call it as this is the HTML elements.
Yeah.
Is it clear, right, everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear, right, everyone? So next topic.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, next topic we will start. That will be the attributes. Okay, attributes. HTML. Okay. So here the attributes of the HTML means, so it will providing the additional information. So additional information to the what you are giving that. So that will be it is there the syntax will be like a style you need to give. After that we have the equal to, so you are providing something value here. So color colon blue, like that you are providing here. Okay, so this will be the attribute, this will be the value. So we will call it as, already there it is providing the additional information to the attribute. So this will be the syntax. I'll give the small definitions for this. Attributes are additional properties assigned to HTML elements. Okay, to modify their behavior or presence. Behavior, appearance, or characteristics. Okay, so here I will provide the one thing here. So you can see, name it as attributes .html. So this will be the bytecode. Just a second. So this is the bytecode, the structure of HTML. So here you can take the name, that will be attributes. Okay, so you can provide one attribute and the additional information for that. So we will see how it will be. So here this is the h1 tag, already you know this will be the high ending tag. So I need to give the information for this using the behavior of appearance and the presence we need to change for this. For like that, if I'm providing one attribute here, so here before the what is the left side will be the value you are giving, and we are providing the information for that will be the attributes we will call it as. Okay, so this will be left side will be the attribute and right side will be the value. So here I'm giving the value now. So just I'm giving the value here. The color I'm giving here, I'm just a blue thing. So here this is the heading tag. Okay, heading 1. So we will see, execute this one. So see here, so this is the heading 1 tag, right? So what happens here, the color will be changed. So the static text will be without using this one, just a static one, it will be printed, right? Just a black color. So I'm using just normal the color of the text. So for that it will happen like this. Clear? So here image also, image here src also one attribute. Okay, just I'm providing the thing, already it is that the nature. So this will be the attribute, this will be the value here. So separated by what? Separated by equal to. Okay, separated by equal to. So this one I am using. So like this. So here we need to provide one attribute also, that will be the width I'm taking. So the width also the attribute. So here 100 will be the value. So okay, so I'm provide the height here, height also the attribute, and we don't have the any specific attributes here. So what we are providing, what you are providing, just normal src and all the things like src, and what you are giving the left side one attribute name and right side will be the value. It should be in separated by equal to. So that will we call it as attributes. Okay, so I'm giving here, this will be the height, and this is value what I'm giving here. So these all are the attributes. Okay, are you getting this point, guys? So this will be the attributes what I am calling here, just all the things. Okay, so another one I'll tell you, just normal thing. So heading tags, heading. So how many types of headings we have? We have the 6 types of headings, that will be H1 to H6. Okay, so here just normal the, and it is denoted by, and it will be organizing the data, and it is the structured textual contents within the web pages. Okay, and it will be the different levels, that will be the hierarchy levels. So that will be the H1, so it is indicate H1 to H1 to H2. This will be indicated as the largest headings. Okay, largest headings, and the size represented will be largest one, and here H3 to H6. So this will be indicated as the smallest one. Okay, smallest headings. So this both are indicating the 2 different ways, that will be the largest one and smallest one. I'll show you the differences on using example. Here only I'm using this file, so that will be the H1. So here this is the heading 1. Okay, here H2, this is the heading 2. Okay, here next one h3, and here this is the heading 3. Okay, here h4, this is the heading 4. Okay, so here h5, here this is the heading 5, here h6, this is the heading 6. So we will see this one. So it is providing h1 to h6, so this will be the indicating one. So smaller, bigger to smaller, so like that. And here one more example, it will not represent, suppose you are using here h1 and here you are using h2, it will not accept it here, it will not accept it, and it will not provided the exact size there. Okay, so avoid like that. You can use here h1 and ending tag also h1. So suppose you are using here h2 and ending tag also h2, you can use, and you can use the bigger one h1 also, and here also h1, it is accepted. Okay, so here already you know that will be the p tag. So the p tag means what is it will be taken, so it will be taken, so the lorem, the thing will be the junk text. So without using the paragraph, without using the paragraph tag, it will not that much of align one, so it will take that. So paragraph, it is like a paragraph type one, the what is you are giving any content inside of the paragraph there. Okay, so I will align this. So I will give paragraph. So here paragraph means p tag is an element. This is also element. Why? Because it is have already a start tag and end tag. So it is element used enclosed and display a block of text, display block of text or content within an HTML okay document. Okay, it provide a way to structure. Okay, so it will be readable in only the web pages like that. So this will be the paragraph tag. So we have already, you know, the paragraph, this one, commented this one. So what is this? I'm doing here the single line comment. What I'm doing here, that the shortcut key for that, control /. Okay, here also headings, here also control /. Okay, so like that. And this will be the elements, this will be the attributes, right? So attributes, here control /. So this is the comments. How many types of comments? In last class I tell you that is the 3 types of comments. That will be single line comment, multi-line comment and inline comment. Okay, so this is clear, right, everyone? So
Yeah, Jayashree.
yeah, tomorrow I'll tell you stylings, formatting, quotates, and comments. Already I have to tell you. Uh, Tomorrow is very important class, and how to use the HTML and all the things. And tomorrow I'll tell you the how to build your resume. Okay.